oyoro mokonyi bomugachi ase ekyombekyo nigo baboririe buna ekyombekyo gose amang'ana echisemi tigatigare ase serikali enene na tarusigwa ase serikali enene abikugocha ase chikaunti.
There are a few issues which teachers are not happy with. This issue which was raised by the former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, that education should be developed to the counties. I want to state here and now that as teachers, we shall not allow education to be developed to the counties. We shall not. And let's not anyone imagine that the education can be developed unless they want chaos in the education sector, which we equally are not ready to have. As teachers, we want our peace, we want to teach, we want the education to remain nationally, and that is the way to go. Anybody thinking otherwise is getting it wrong. So I want to appeal to the government not to listen to the politician, that the education should be developed, because we are aware that the counties have problems in paying the ECD teachers. The ECD teachers are underpaid. They are given peanuts. And even their salaries get delayed. 2 months, 3 months, they have not been paid. Look at the doctors and the nurses. They are never paid at the counties. So we don't want to go that way with the education sector.